Let us learn how to express decimal fractions in standard form using this example. So the example says we should express the following decimal fractions in standard form. And for A, we have 0.004, and then in question B, we have 0.06. Now this is how we do it. Solution. For A, we have to express 0.004 in standard form. Now what you do is to identify the first non-zero that you have in this number, and that will be the number 4. That's our first non-zero. Now in case you have a question where you have more than one non-zeros, so after the first one you put the decimal point and then every other number that follow that first one will go in that place. But here we just have one non-zero, so we have 4 over. Now we're going to write, count with me, we have 3 digits, as you can see here, after this decimal point. So that means what we'll have here will be 1,000, since there are 3 zeros in 1,000. What this means is that we have 4 over, now let's write 1,000 in index form. That will be 10 with a power of 3. Now how I know this is 3 is because there are 3 zeros after 1. So to express that, we then write it like this, where we have 4 multiplied by 1 over 10 raised to power 3. Now remember when we studied indices, one of the things we talked about there is that whenever you have something like this, 1 over a, we said this can be written as a raised to the power of minus 1. So when it is like this, that is, if I have 1 over a squared, this will be written as a with the power of minus 2. So if we take this further, that is, we're going to have 4 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. Therefore, 0.004 becomes 4 times 10 raised to power minus 3 in standard form. Now let's do for question B. Question B, we have 0.06. What this means is that we express it as a fraction where we have 6 over. Now the number that goes here would be 1 followed by 2 zeros. So that is 6 over 100. This means that we are going to have 6 over. Now writing 100 in index form would be 10 with the power of 2. Once again, how you know what goes here at the power is the number of zeros that follow your 1. So since we have 2 zeros, that will be a power of 2. This can then be expressed as 6 multiplied by 1 over 10 squared. Now applying this same law of indices, we can then say this is equal to 6 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2. So let's conclude. Therefore, 0.004 is 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 3. And then 0.06 is 6 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 in standard form. Thank you.